All right, guys, welcome to CAD Made Easy. All right, before we start, just want to do a brief introduction to CAD Made Easy. All right, so let's quickly look at this. All right, so intro to CAD Made Easy. Okay, so first we have drafting stroke drawing with AutoCAD. So we'll be teaching you how to use AutoCAD for your drafting and your drawing. Then we also have architectural software application. We'll be teaching you on Home Designers Pro, Chief Architect, ArchiCAD, Revit, and SketchUp. Then talking about structural software application, we'll teach you how to use Proto Structure, Civil Soft, Stat Pro. Then Civil Road Design software application, we have Civil 3D. And under our Steel Design and Detailing software application, we have Autodesk Advanced Steel. We have lots and lots of other software, but for the beginners, this is what we deem fit to bring first for you guys. For people who have interest in engineering, people who have interest in architecture, this is an opportunity for you to take an advantage. This is completely free and this is for beginners. We have other bigger, tutorial lessons, but that one will be made available on request. And we will also appreciate if we have people who are dedicated to designs, people who are dedicated to engineering and architecture. And if we have people that are that dedicated, we can give you the pro tutorial at a very subsidized rate. But at the point, all of this is totally free. This is totally free for you, for everybody. Come on, download our softwares. Let me show you how to get the software if you don't know how to get it. Okay, so first we'll be starting with drafting with AutoCAD, and this is all we are going to teach you concerning AutoCAD. Okay, so quickly, if you're coming for the first time on this page, I want you to use your barcode to scan this. When you scan this barcode with your barcode scan on your phone, you will get a web address. From the web address, you can download our app. Okay, you can save it on your desktop and easily visit the page. But if you cannot, you can as well copy this to your browser, copy this web page to your browser. When you copy it to your browser, open it and save the web page as an application on your phone. Okay, you can also share it. All right, so this is how easy it is. So if you're able to scan this, you should be having something like this. Okay, you should be having something similar to this. Okay, your web page should look like this. Okay, when you open it, will ask you add CAD Made Easy to your home screen. Just click. If you add it to your home screen, it's going to install it like an app on your mobile phone. Okay, even on your laptop, if you do this, it's going to save it as an app on your laptop. I have it already, so I don't need to click this anymore. So, but when you come on to the app, you're going to have this. You're going to have this interface looking so beautiful. CAD Made Easy with Engineer Basile. CAD-ME, that's a short form for CAD Made Easy. People are asking what's the meaning of CAD. CAD is computer aided design. So computer aided design made easy. Okay. So when you come to get started, it's going to take you to a list of all the items we have. We have drafting with AutoCAD, architecture, structure, civil. So when you click on this, it takes you directly to each of the videos. Okay. So any of the video you click, any of the items you click here, it takes you directly to the our YouTube channel on the very tutorial. Okay. So that is how easy it is. Very simple and short. If you want to send us WhatsApp message, you can just come here and click. This will send you will take you directly to our WhatsApp and you drop a message. You want to send mail, you can do the same thing here. Okay. So I think this is very simple. Okay. So and if you want to connect directly to me, you can just click connect with tutor. This will connect you directly to me via phone call. Phone call. All right, so this is just a brief summary about CAD Made Easy. Then as you watch the tutorial, endeavor to subscribe so you can always get updated, informations and the rest of it. So I would love to see you. Follow us in all our tutorial classes. We'd love to share together and see where we can get to. Thank you very much.